The price of Bitcoin fell to about $275 this week. That's after closing out the year barely over $300, which actually made it the worst performing currency of 2014. For a minute, it looked like it was going to be the ruble, but a little end-of-the-year rally took the Russian currency from hilariously devalued to just pretty useless, leaving Bitcoin with a title nobody wanted. But cynicism aside, as we just reported, a major exchange, Bitstamp, just lost 4.5, let's just say it's in the area of $5 million in Bitcoin to hackers and had to suspend its exchange. That's going to hurt. We're also coming out of the holiday season, so folks are broke, probably had to cash in some bits for rent and whatnot. Also, crossing into the new year means new tax season, so there were probably a few Bitcoiners waiting until then to cash in. Mark Andreessen took to Twitter on Monday offering up his thoughts on Bitcoin in the coming year and said it best when defending the recent price drop, stating, "The critique that Bitcoin is bad because it was down in 2014 changes completely if one uses a 2-year window instead of 1-year window. Bitcoin was below $14 in January 2013. If 1-year performance has been disappointing, 2-year performance has been spectacular. As a general rule, arguments that rely on cherry-picking specific date windows are not very good arguments. The second critique I call smarter. Bitcoin is too volatile. It goes up and down too much and so cannot be used as a store of value. This is largely correct at the moment and yet misses most of the point of Bitcoin as a distributed transaction and trust network. Bitcoin was specifically designed to use speculation early on to overcome the normal chicken-egg bootstrapping problem for new networks. Attacking Bitcoin for having speculative levels of volatility is missing the point of how the system was designed for this point in time. Now, yes, in the long run, Bitcoin does need to stabilize, which I think will happen with a combo of scale plus use of derivatives, hedging. In the short run, Bitcoin is still highly useful as a transaction and trust network in many cases, even with high volatility.